CR. So blind. Retouching. The coffee. Medyo nakakahiya kung mag-vlog dito sa workplace ko. Parang pag nakakita sila ng gantong camera, halatang nag-vlog ako. Inside the prod, since bawal ang cellphone, ay the tumbler, one work on tumbler, and just the headset. Iwan ko muna kayo dyan. First break, let's go. Pag break, punta lang ako dito sa pantry namin. Hi, Patty! Ako mo na? Right? Is it a good problem to have? Tsaka yung mahirap yung pagdadaan ka dun sa ano, yung mag-watch ka palabas. Kahapon na lang niya. Sa ground. Ay, oo. I have one client for social media manager, so I'm gonna create content muna. I get distracted. I get a message from other TikTok moms requesting for a free sample of our Mangazon tumbler. Thank you, mommies, for even considering our tumbler. One thing na hindi ko pa nagagawa is yung i-explore yung seller center ng TikTok shop. I should spend more time on that kasi nandun yung analytics, yung numbers, which are the boring part of the business, but the most important. This popcorn, overbreak na ako. Nawila sa ginagawa. 1 hour break ulit. So, during my 1 hour break, I continue with managing my business, managing my content, TikTok and YouTube. Meron pa akong lactation break, which is 40 minutes a day. Hinahati ko siya. First break, first break and then last break. Kaya medyo mahaba-haba yung break talaga. Just to also share, I have my journal and my Notion for content planning. Samahan niyo akong focus work ulit. Into deep work. Nagagawa. Kasi na-overwhelm ako. Like, meron na akong YouTube content calendar. Meron na rin ako dito nakalista na content calendar ko sa TikTok for like 1 month. And gusto ko kasi efficient yung time ko. Like, kung mag-film ako, magagamit ko rin siya as B-roll clips. Magagamit ko siya sa ibang araw or sa ibang content. So right now, na-overwhelmed na ako. And I wanna make sure sana na low effort siya as possible. Kaya gusto ko na mag-film na in advance para nagagamit at nare-reuse ko yung film. Para maging low effort siya eventually. And then magiging sustainable para hindi ako mag-burn out. Because I know sa YouTube it's a long haul. It's all about documenting life. Yun lang din naman yung gusto ko. But I wanted to have like a story. This is me being overwhelmed. Pero, carry yan. So, ang gagawin ko this time ay ilalagay ko yung mga B-roll clips na i-film ko na pwede kong i-reuse. What's important is the story. Right? It's the story. that I'm working on it. Ganyan. And you'll see me different days working on it. Ililista ko yung master shot list ng mga B-roll clips. At paulit-ulit na ako. Kayo, mga mamis, what do you usually do if you feel overwhelmed or if you feel stressed out? This is the best I have so far. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng format yung gagawin ko kasi because I want it to still look aesthetic. Kasi nakakasipag mag-work kung aesthetic yung itsura niya, di ba? Kaya ang dami ko mga scratch. Ito yung YouTube content calendar ko. Ito yung content, 30-day content ko. And this is what I've done so far. O, diba? May pa-check. May pa-notebook pa ako, pero gusto ko lagi mga nakahiwalay. So, dito naman, ilalagay ko yung content checklist ko. Because I feel productive kapag may na-check off ako sa mga dapat kong gawin. No matter how small it is. Time to write. Tapos na mag-lunch and balik na sa office. Last break na. Ayan, nakakuha na tayo ng coffee. And lalagyan natin siya ng Collagen Plus. Like 16 months postpartum na ako. Nagpapalatch pa rin naman ako. So meron pa rin akong konting milk na nakukuha si baby. We're starting to take care of ourselves na. And this one is still breastfeeding friendly. Talagay ko siya dito sa coffee. And gusto ko lang din i-share, may realization kasi ko habang nasa work. Kasi shinare ko kanina na parang na-overwhelm na ako sa filming ko kasi gusto ko efficient, gusto ko isang film and then magagamit ko siya sa iba-ibang klaseng content. And I wanna start this journey na hindi ako mababurn out. Alam mo yun, kasi gusto ko sa long haul siya. Like it's just part of my system. I-document yung life ko para mas magtagal. Kasi if you have the vision, sa mga nababasa kong libro, especially maganda yung book ni Simon Sinek na Start With Why. If you want something to last, like generational or even generational in terms of business or for yourself, you want to know your why. Because even when numbers are discouraging, even through tough times, kapag alam mo yung purpose, ba't mo siya ginagawa? Kahit pagod na pagod ka. Or sometimes you don't even feel tired. Kasi you know your purpose. You know what's the reason you even started doing something. So, rambling na pala ako. Anyway, so what I wanna share is that I realized na hindi ko na siya yung overthink yung pag-create ng content. I'll just document what's happening in my life and I just wanna share my journey to everyone and inspire some mommies out there. Naalala ko rin kasi, ang dami ko pang pending contents since we are like a family na gusto namin lumalabas. Like there's really family work-life balance. So, I wanna share that, diba? So, meron pa kaming mga lakad sa ganyan, yung mga weekend labas namin. Gusto namin inilalabas namin si Mangazon. Gusto namin, meron kaming me time as husband and wife, as a mom, as a father. And meron din kaming time together as a couple. So, those things come naturally. It's part of our routine. It comes naturally na sa amin kasi yun yung gusto naming buhay. So, I don't think I have to really stress myself about filming. Sabi ko pang pending for editing, for posting. Ano na, lumamig na yung kape ko. Signs of having a toddler.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop standing.
End of shift na. Okay, nahiya ako mag-vlog. It's morning. It's 7 a.m. It's my end of shift.
At your face, I should be.
And meron kami going two orders ng tumbler, Mongazon tumblers, and napak na ni Javi pag uwi. Thank you so much sa mga nag-order. So excited to do a mini haul of Christmas basket ng Ashogon. Look! Basket pa lang, ang ganda na. Let's do this. Classic Evac milk, pineapple chunks, fruit cocktail, and Alaska condensed, fruit salad package, cheese, hidden cheese na meron pang Tupperware. Diba? Masaya, Tupperware pa tayo. Ang favorite ko doon ng bata ko, Danish cookies. Is that how you pronounce it? Danish cookies. Basta, butter cookies. Spam, all-purpose cream. We have the Swiss Miss milk chocolate, Grahams, creamy, cheesy, poly pack, for spaghetti. Pringles, Four Seasons juice drink. And this one is a Sparkle Welch sparkling red grape.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter zone, but I'm being under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the holiday, but I can't stop staring at your face. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Shawty with you, shawty with you, under the mistletoe.
At nagpabuhat na nga ang baby na ito. Gusto ko lang din i-share. Ito ang aking corner. Cleanse na ako. Start with the toner. Hindi talaga ako nag-skincare before. Parang ang pinaka-skincare ko lang ay sunscreen. Yun lang. Wala nga ng mga anak ako. Ayan. Papansin ko na may mga acne na ako dito. I'm not sure kung dahil ba. Baka may picos na ako dahil sa mataba na ako. Pero since then, ayan, nag-start na ako ng skincare and sunscreen. Pero before, sunscreen talaga yung hindi nawawala. Please always include your neck. And then lastly, yung cream. That's it. Cleansing, toner, serum, and the cream. Ito siya, Hello Glow yung ginamit ko. Which is recommended ng namit kong mami sa Hip Organic, si Mami Jen. And so far naman, I noticed na nawawala na yung mga acne ko dito.